Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Wind is light through the overnight hours, but it does increase as we get into the afternoon tomorrow. It's out of the southeast, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. It'll stay a 10 to 15 mile an hour wind as we get into the overnight hours tomorrow night, and that will help push our temperatures upward. So it gets a little bit warmer during the overnight hours, but that comes with, unfortunately, some freezing rain. Storm Track 7 yellow alert day for the potential of some freezing rain and ice accumulations. Hazardous conditions will be a travel for on the road and walking. Be cautious here Friday night into the morning hours on Saturdays. May take us up until about lunchtime. Winter weather advisory is in effect for much of the area. Still a bit uncertain across our northern counties because there may be a little bit more snow to take away from some of the ice. We'll have to see how this plays out as we get into the next 24 hours. As for the cloud cover, we'll jump right in it to tomorrow. We've got clear sky overnight after the clouds this evening clear. Now we'll see mostly cloudy sky tomorrow. There will be some sunshine as we get into the afternoon, but by the time we get into the evening hours, there's some of the freezing rain west of Interstate 35. That starts to push on into the region. Throw some numbers on here for you. This is 10 o'clock. It will be approaching our western counties here, and then a bit more widespread as we get towards midnight and 3 o'clock in the morning. Freezing rain, could be a snow shower mixed in at times across our northern counties. As we head through the overnight hours, first thing Saturday morning, temperatures are warming above the freezing mark, so that will change the freezing rain over to rain, while areas farther to the north still looking at the temperatures in the 20s and some lower 30s. So we'll have that freezing rain, maybe a snow shower mixed in at times again across our northern counties. Notice this is the area that doesn't have the winter weather advisory for the time being. We'll see how this changes over the next 24 hours, or almost 36 hours now. As for 10 o'clock in the morning, temperatures continue to warm, and that freezing rain changes over to rain, and we will see the temperatures warm into the middle 30s. So now as we get towards evening hours, everybody will have general rain, but it's a cold rain, 35, 36 degrees, some lower 30s to the north, could have still some wet snowflakes mixed in at times, and the rain will continue during the overnight hours, maybe a snowflake in our northern counties as temperatures are still running in the low 30s north, middle to upper 30s to the south. Storm system moves away, the rain tapers off, but notice the temperatures, they do not drop off. Actual temperatures will remain mild, well, let's rephrase that, will remain above freezing, and so we're not looking at any refreezing of all that liquid at this point. Look for the temperatures to continue to warm. So it's going to be rain, then stopping, and then dry conditions. But the problem is the ice. It's Friday night, Saturday morning in particular. Ice accumulation, glaze to maybe 1/10 of an inch of ice. Then there could be a couple of isolated spots that will be up around 2/10 of an inch. But nonetheless, even just a glaze will cause some problems. So be careful walking and driving early Saturday morning. Tonight, temperatures anywhere from 0 to 8 from north to south. The wind is light. During the day tomorrow, again, not a problem during the day or into the early evening hours. Look for temperatures to top out or get into the low 20s, low to mid 20s by evening. Those temperatures will continue to warm into the lower 30s, eventually getting into the mid 30s here on Saturday with that rain. Again, we'll have some freezing rain, a little snow at times, and as we look ahead to Sunday, clouds and upper 30s to about 40 degrees. Then there's another little disturbance we're watching, and we'll track that through the area come Monday with a chance for some rain, little wind, temperatures in the 30s. After that, a flurry or maybe a brief snow shower, not a big deal here. Looks like that will be more dry than anything else, and it'll stay that way here for the end of the week into the following weekend, as temperatures will be near or below normal with highs in the middle 20s to the lower 30s.